Some important tools to draw flowcharts. So one is called draw.io. You can search in Google directly with these keywords. There is no need of separate URL. Flowgorithm, okay, Raptor. So using these tools, you can draw flowcharts. I am choosing Flowgorithm tool. So you can download from here. Let's see here how to draw a flowchart using Flowgorithm software. And I am going to give a flowchart to the problem which finds sum of two integers. Here in this window, you can see one button here, the menu, split window, means multiple windows. So one window is for, you can edit the flowchart, and other window is for, viewing the input and output. Other window is for auto generate source code. I'll show you that now in a minute. So here is the software. And when I press this, you have multi-window open here. So in this case, so you can see here, this is the editor where you can edit the or else draw the flowchart, and this window is source code viewer, means whatever the flowchart we generate, automatically source code will be generated here. So there is an option of different languages, choosing different languages, C++, and even Python, other languages, but C is not available. Don't worry, there is a slight difference between C++ and C. It's not important to you now. So my point is, there is a tool called Flowgorithm, and using that Flowgorithm tool, you are going to generate the flowchart. So our aim is not to generate the source code. It is only for your understanding sake. Now, whatever the problem, whenever we run the code, whenever we run this code and this Flowgorithm or this flowchart, you are going to get the output in this console window bottom right. So this console window is basically used to give the input. From here you will give the input, and here it will be displaying the output. So one side, whatever the input you give, it will be displayed. Whatever the output you are going to get, it is displayed in this region. So this is how this software is organized. So let's see in detail how to draw this flowchart. You can see here I am choosing the new file. So new file is generated out of whatever this main is there and end is there. So I am choosing in this case one language, C++. C is not available here. It's fine. Mostly both are same. I don't worry about the differences now. So as I said, you have three different windows. So this window is for right hand side source generation. It is output window, and you can see. So let's start the flowchart diagram. So when you want to insert, so for finding this, finding the sum of two integers, you need to take the input of two numbers, as I already told you. So two numbers are, let us say, input as two numbers, that A and B. And once you take the input, you need to sum up. So taking input symbol is parallelogram. So here is the variable A. I'm entering the variable A here. Let's click OK button. And now that A is renamed. So next input to be read is, let us say, input symbol, choose input symbol parallelogram. So that variable name I am naming is B. So let us type B here, press OK. Now you can see parallelly the code is being generated right hand side, the source code viewer. Now it is a time to compute it. So for computing, we have to choose different symbol. Let us say this symbol is called assignment symbol, or else we can say rectangle. So here I am storing that result whatever we computed in a variable called sum, and what is the expression, that is a plus b, means we have to compute the expression a plus b. So that result we have to store in the variable called sum. So let us test it whether it works or not. Now when I run it, it is showing the variables are not declared, and in this case it is not necessary you should have always declare the variables in different tools, but these tools require are declaring the variables because it's going to generate the code for you. Some other tools, they may not be generating code, so declaring symbol is not necessary. So in this case, I'm declaring 3 variables. You have different data types. Don't worry, I will explain you what are those data types when we are dealing with programming. Now I have chosen integer as a type of these variables. Now this first code is being generated. Now what is the task? We have to give the output to next step. You can see sequence of instructions, one after the other I am inserting. So output also same simple parallelogram. Let us say I am printing the output to sum, because sum is storing the result of a plus b. So that's why sum I am printing. Now flowchart is ready. Let us run this program here. So whatever the output, that will be displayed in the console window. Let's see. So when you press this program menu, in this case we have two options, step and run. I am choosing the step option, F6. If you keep pressing, it will show you how every step after other, how it will show you a step by step process. You can say one step after other it will be executing it. So first declaration is over. Now input instruction is executed in green color, you can see. So when it is executed, it is asking for the input in the bottom, you can see. So right hand bottom, I am entering here the input value, let us say 5. So for this is stored in the variable a now. 5 is stored in the variable a. So that is displayed in the output area also. Now second instruction, next instruction to be executed is input to b. So when I run this, this is showing, when I press F6, it is showing some value. So I entered here 6 value. Now next instruction to be executed is sum of a plus b. Means that sum is executed, now printing it. I am not, so now print, when I print it, 5 plus 6 is 11. So that is displayed in the output region. So this is about the execution of the flowchart. Now we are at the end of the flowchart.